one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
You've learned how to live with pain, with sudden restrictions and hold wounds. But deep down you know that you were never meant to be defined by the past. You were never meant to be held back by the past experiences of your life. Something within you has felt tired of being held back, tired of not being fully who you are. And the Lord says, I'm bringing freedom to you. I am the one who is pulling down the walls of division and separation. I am the one who is bringing my healing love. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you. That where you felt fenced in, where you felt held back, there is a freedom that I long to bring to you. Trust in me and draw close to me in this time, listening to my heart. For it is my words of life that bring freedom. It is my words of life that bring wholeness. I am with you and I am for you, the one who sets you free, the one who leads you into fullness of life. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.